How's it going once again, everybody? This has got to transform them all. I have pack 19 in the big pack opening, and it is the Neo Revelations pack. Or Revelation, not Revelations. I can never remember if it's Revelation or Revelations. The S makes a difference to me because it's the difference between the name and not the name. It's Neo Revelation, as you can see. There's no S down there. Raiko's on the pack, the legendary dog Pokemon worthy, I think, premiering in this set. So hopefully we can get one of them because that would be awesome. If not, a holo, which I believe all of the legendary dogs are in this set. There are two shining Pokemon, Magikarp and Gyarados. If we can pull either of those, I will be thrilled because that's basically like ultra rare tier to me. If we can get a shining, I do not expect one in any sort, but it will be appreciated if we can get one. Alrighty, so Neo Revelations have not opened this pack in years. I remember getting some back when the set was originally out, and I do have some cards to kind of show myself I got enough of the packs to have somewhat of a set. But yeah, it's been so long since I've opened a pack of this and really looked at these cards. We start off with a Swinub, Quagsire, some claymation there, or at least clay models, not claymation, it's not animated. We have a Slugma, Old Rod, Smoochum, a baby Pokemon in a baby cradle, that is adorable. Then we have a Paris, Aipom. Ooh. So for a non-holo rare, once again, it is still a fantastic looking card. Or maybe not fantastic looking, but it's a Celebi. Was this for the premiere set for Celebi? If so, we got one of the first Celebi cards. That's awesome. Because I definitely was not in Neo Genesis. I don't believe it was in Neo Discovery. So yeah, I think this is the first, or at least one of the first Celebi cards, which is awesome. So no complaints there. Got a nice Celebi card. So then the other cards are a Balloonberry, Rocket's Hideout, and Seeking. With Seeking print background. I was like, are those shapes anything? Yep, that's a Seeking. Actually, I think it's the same. It looks like they just took the outline for the Seeking, just put white out over it, and just stamped it in the background. Kind of funny that. But overall, again, not a holo. I'm just happy at this point we had at least one really awesome pack, as well as a few other good packs. But yeah, I have no complaints here just because we got the Celebi. So happy with Celebi. Even if it's not a holo, it's Celebi. It's one of the original Celebi cards. If it's not, I forget if there's more than one Celebi in this set. I want to say there might be one that's a holo, and that might be Psychic type maybe. That could just be making stuff up, I don't know. I want to say there is another Celebi in the set. But I don't know, we at least got a Celebi. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the videos and the opening so far. So thank you for watching. Have a great day.